to eat, so it's yummy. Yeah, so I'm going to put bye bye. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Agala Malin Kezania. Thank you so much for coming. Keep on watching, keep on subscribing guys. So I'm coming live from the village. I have my baby. I say hi. Hi. So guys, today we want to prepare most appetizing food in the village. So this is banana, and I have my tomatoes here with me. Then this onion. Then I have rice. So I want to peel it. So then I have this cooking oil. Then I have my cooking stick here guys. So I want to prepare lunch for my family in the village. So I need to peel. So guys, you can see there I'm cooking something. Then I want to cook lunch for my family. So if it's your first time to come across my video, make sure that you are subscribed. So guys, you can see my kid is helping me to cook. Yeah. So this one we need to put it here. Toka hapa kuja huku hivi. Kuja huku hivi. Chukua mchele ukija huku. So the next thing I need to wash. But I need kadogo juu. Ende wite mama. So I need to cut my banana into small pieces because I want to cook it with the rice. So I'm going to wait until my tomatoes turn brown. So I'm going to wait for my tomatoes to get ready, then I'll add there. So this is salt, guys. It's a little bit. So guys, my tomatoes are ready. Now I want to add it. So I have my food here and everything. So this is Royco cube. When you add into food, it makes it taste. Then I'm going to add them. Ngoja na kuja. Ngoja nimalize. So then I have my rice here. This Korea rice from Tanzania. I'm going to take just 2 cups. Don't nyamaza kwanza. So I'm going to put here 4 cups of water. Let chumvi. Ndio let. I need to add salt, guys. So I'm going to to add little salt. Ngoja tu usiongee utaniweka. So I'm going to add little salt. Pelekea mama. Usimwage beba hivi. Ya mama. So guys, I'm going to eat for 20 minutes, then I'll check my food. Yeah. To eat. So it's yummy. Yeah. So I'm going to put here I'm going to wait for 5 minutes, then I will serve. Guys, look at this. So if you're coming from the village, so guys, if you're coming from the village, you need to try cooking like this. So let me wait for 5 minutes, then I will serve my food. So guys, so I want to eat this one. This one I'm keeping for other people. They'll come and eat. So wow, guys, this food is so delicious. So you need to try this. If you're coming from the village, you need to try. You need to try mix bananas and rice. Then you'll see the results. Yeah. Smart. So guys, let me continue eating my lunch. So if you like this video, let me know, drop a comment down there. Don't forget to watch my videos till the end. It's Sagala Man. Bye bye.